Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Emmie, your AI-powered email marketing genius with Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI and we're all logged in. And the first thing we can do is find Emmie here, our email marketer. And you can see here all the other wonderful AI employees that we have access to. Let's go ahead and click on Emmie. And the first thing that we're going to see here is Emmie is going to provide an idea for us based on the information that we've provided about our company, Skillcraft. So once you log in for the first time, you're going to see here up at the top where it says no ideas for today. It's because I've already generated those ideas. And above each of our different employees, we have this red icon here that gives us an indication that there is an idea they're waiting for us. So we click on Emmie, and here we can see that Emmie has designed a strategic post-webinar email sequence for all AI consultation conversion. I've created a comprehensive email nurture sequence designed to convert webinar attendees into consultation clients, focusing on AI implementation value and personalized engagement. So this is really fantastic. We're working on a webinar now. And so this is something that Emmie has provided us in order to be able to follow up on our webinar. And that gives you an idea of what you can do as well for your business. Some really amazing potential here. We also have couple of other ideas. Emmie is designing an email-based success story collection and showcase system. I've created a comprehensive email marketing system to collect, curate, and showcase viewer success stories from your AI tutorial implementations. This will help build social proof and encourage more viewers to implement the techniques from your tutorials. We also have creating a YouTube comment to email subscriber conversion system. I'll design a email nurture system that converts engaged YouTube commenters into email subscribers through personalized value offers, leveraging the channel's existing engagement to build an email list. So that's very interesting. So this is just, again, another example of how Sintra can provide tailored responses to your needs and how Emmie, our email marketer, can really help you with your business's success. So let's take a look at some of the options here that we can explore with Emmie. First off, if we click on new chat, then you're going to see we can just ask a question or get started down here at the bottom. We have our paperclip icon here where we can upload a document and we can use that as a basis to start getting some responses from Emmie. We can use the voice option. So if you just want to talk to Emmie and don't feel like typing things out, you just want to go stream of consciousness and see what happens, then you can use that option. We also have some helpful suggestions here. We can, let's see here, optimize email subject segment let's boost email engagement rates. Why not? Let's go ahead and click on that. And now Emmie is answering our question. What strategies can I implement to increase engagement rates for my monthly newsletter targeting beginning AI users? And so let me help you. Emmie's going to answer that question there. We'll just go ahead and let her do that. In the meantime, let's just take a look at some of the other options here. We have a history of our chats. We can click on the three dots here to rename our chats, or we can pin them. So that's nice. We can delete them if we want. And this is a good way of just keeping everything organized, being able to rename them so you know exactly what the different chats are all about. And every time you interact with Sintra, Sintra gets to know you and your business a little bit better so that it can offer those tailored responses. Here we have the gear icon. If we click on that, then you can see that we can change some of the parameters that dictate how Emmie responds to our questions. Right now it's set to business casual for the vibe, but we can change that up. We can go ahead and let's say we're going to keep it strictly professional. We're going to set the message length to long. We're going to set the language to expert. We're going to set our traits to always search Google. I'm going to copy my writing style as is. That's not something that I'm that interested in. Custom instructions. If there's anything specific that we want to tell Emmie, then we can enter in that information here. once you enter in the information, once you ask questions, all of that is going to go into your Brain AI section over here on the left-hand side where it says Brain AI. We're going to click on that. And here you can see that we have our knowledge filled section. And these are all of the memories that Sintra captures over time to get to know you and your business better so that it can answer questions more specifically. And we can also answer guided questions. You can see here we have some questions that we haven't answered yet, but we can click on that and we can answer specific questions that is going to help Sintra get to know us better. So that's really neat. That is also going to show up here in the main screen, the homepage here, 10 new questions. We can click on that and go through that. In the meantime, let's just stick here with Emmie and take a look at some of the other options. Here we have our power-ups. So let's go ahead and click on See All. And in addition to the power-ups here that we can find, we can also find the power-up section over here on the left-hand side. You can see there, if we click on that, then that's going to give us a bird's eye view of all of the different power-ups for our various AI helpers. Here are Emmie's power-ups. We have a few things that we could take a look at. We can create an abandoned cart flow emails. We can onboard new subscribers with a special offer. We can create a monthly email campaign calendar with holidays and ideas. We can create a pop-up text for your store with an offer. We can create an email with educational content for your subscribers. We can create win-back emails to reconnect with past customers. We can create post-purchase emails that increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. We can create campaign emails based on your offer. All of these can be very useful for your email marketing strategy. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of them. Let's go ahead and see. I think let's try onboard new subscribers with a special offer. So here, let's see, onboard new subscribers with a special offer. So let's go ahead and we're going to highlight our promotion here for Sintra. So one free month of Sintra using promo code SkillCraft60. And that is a fact. If you use promo code SkillCraft60, you can get 1 month free of Sintra. And we're very happy to be able to announce that. So let's go ahead and see what Emmie does for us with our new subscribers, onboarding new subscribers. We'll hit generate. Now Emmie is hard at work. Here's our email sequence. And this is just some real wonderful stuff here. We can use this to find subscribers who have just signed up on YouTube, and we can offer them this promo code to give them a chance to start with Sintra. And at the same time, we're part of the affiliate program, so it helps us out as well. So this just gives you an idea of what you can do with Emmie as well. And really can't say enough good about what Sintra is doing. It really is quite spectacular, very exciting, and we're really happy to be partnered with them because of all the tools that I've tried as far as AI tools. Sintra really stood out to me as something special, and so we're really happy to be partnered with them, and we are really happy to be able to provide you promo code SkillCraft60. So if you head over to the link in the description, head over to Sintra, get signed up, and you can use promo code SkillCraft to get 1 month free of Sintra. And I really feel like if you spend some time with Sintra and the various AI helpers that you have access to, you'll see for yourself exactly how it is that Sintra can help you and your business take things to the next level. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.